Today we'll learn about manage apps in Jira. So what is manage apps? So from find new apps you can install your new plugins application in the Jira. Whatever application you have already installed or already there, you can see under manage apps. Okay, so all these things will be available under manage apps. Let me refresh the page. You can see I have installed a script runner. I can see all the details about the script runner. I have installed the advanced roadmap for Jira. I can see for the structure I can see over here. Okay, so what is the use of manage apps? So what is the main use of manage apps? Like in this manage apps, if you want to use or if you want to change the license, like I am using the free version, I want to change this license, just click on this one, change the license and click on update. So this is one of the use. If you want to disable it for the some time, just click on the disable. So I am disabling the script runner, so my application will not use the script runner. Whatever listener and all, I don't want to send the notification, not useful, don't set feedback. I have disabled it. Refresh the page, you are not able to see. I have installed the application, but it's a disabled now. So like this you can disable, you can change the license. Let me show other ways to do. Okay, adopt script runner for Jira, just go down. Okay, let me enable it. If you want to uninstall, you can just click on the uninstall as well. I am enabling right now. Here you can see how many modules are going to enable, it will show. Okay, so all the modules which are installed and enabled, you can see it over here. If you want to disable any of the module, we can disable it under the manage apps. See, 4 out of 469 464 modules are enabled. Just click on plus. Okay, these are the modules are the enabled. If you want to disable any of them, like you are unhappy with this one, it's creating the problem for you, or this is creating the problem for you, others are working fine, so just come here and disable the module. So like this you can disable the module. Okay, if you want to check about the documentation, just click on the documentation. If you want to see your privacy, or if you want to create any ticket, just click on the support ticket. Here you will get option, you can create a support request, you can email to the vendor. So like this you can do. So this is the main use of the manage apps. Thank you for watching.